In an age dominated by synthetic solutions, there's a growing movement towards natural remedies. People are rediscovering the potent healing power found in nature's bounty. This shift towards holistic wellness recognizes the interconnectedness of our bodies with the natural world. As we move away from processed foods and artificial ingredients, we open ourselves to the incredible benefits of traditional healing practices. This includes exploring the therapeutic potential of readily available fruits and vegetables. This resurgence of interest in natural therapies is driven by a desire for gentler, more sustainable approaches to health. People are seeking alternatives to pharmaceuticals, which often come with a long list of potential side effects. They're turning to ancient wisdom and time-tested remedies to support their well-being. This shift represents a profound transformation in how we view health and healing. One of the pioneers of natural healing was Dr. Max Gerson, a German-American physician. He developed the Gerson Therapy in the 1920s. This innovative therapy was born out of his relentless quest to find a cure for his own severe migraines, which conventional medicine had failed to alleviate. This therapy emphasizes the power of organic fruits, vegetables, and juices to detoxify and heal the body. Dr. Gerson discovered that these natural foods could help restore the body's balance and improve overall health. Dr. Gerson's approach was groundbreaking. He believed that chronic diseases stemmed from an accumulation of toxins in the body. His research suggested that by removing these toxins, the body could begin to heal itself naturally. His therapy aimed to restore the body's natural ability to heal itself by eliminating these toxins and flooding the system with essential nutrients. This method was revolutionary at the time and challenged the conventional medical practices. The Gerson therapy heavily relies on consuming large amounts of freshly prepared juices. These juices are made from organic fruits and vegetables, ensuring that they are free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. These juices, particularly carrot juice, deliver a concentrated dose of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes directly to the cells. Carrot juice, in particular, is known for its high beta-carotene content, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. Dr. Gerson recognized that these nutrients were essential for supporting the body's natural detoxification processes and promoting overall health. He believed that a well-nourished body was better equipped to fight off diseases and maintain optimal health. His work paved the way for further exploration into the therapeutic potential of juices. Today, the principles of the Gerson therapy continue to inspire and influence holistic health practices around the world. Juicing has become increasingly popular as a way to boost nutrient intake and support overall health. Freshly made juices act like a direct line to our cells, delivering a concentrated burst of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes in an easily digestible form. Unlike processed foods, which often lack vital nutrients, fresh juices provide the building blocks for optimal cellular function and overall well-being. They are packed with antioxidants that help combat free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Carrot juice, for instance, is a rich source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy vision, supporting immune function, and promoting cell growth and repair. Regularly consuming carrot juice can contribute to healthier skin, improved eyesight, and a stronger immune system. The high levels of antioxidants in carrots also help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and environmental pollutants. Other vegetable juices, like beetroot juice, offer their own unique set of benefits. Beetroot juice is known to improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and enhance athletic performance. The nitrates in beetroot juice convert to nitric oxide in the body, which helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and oxygen delivery to muscles. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes and those with cardiovascular concerns. By incorporating a variety of fresh vegetable juices into your diet, you can unlock a treasure trove of health benefits, harnessing the power of nature's pharmacy to support your overall well-being. So, next time you reach for a drink, consider a glass of fresh juice and let nature's bounty nourish your body from the inside out. Section 4. Beyond the carrot, unveiling the power of super red radish juice. While carrot juice often takes the spotlight, another root vegetable deserves our attention: the humble red radish. Red radish juice, though less common, boasts an impressive nutritional profile and offers a range of health benefits. Its peppery flavor might be surprising at first, but its therapeutic properties are undeniable. This often overlooked juice is a hidden gem in the world of natural remedies. Red radish juice is an excellent source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects our cells from damage caused by free radicals. It also contains significant amounts of potassium, which is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, red radish juice is a good source of folate, a B vitamin that plays a crucial role in cell growth and development. Section 5. A nutritional powerhouse. Key nutrients in red radish juice. One of the key benefits of red radish juice lies in its ability to support liver function. This vibrant juice is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that play a crucial role in maintaining liver health. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from the blood, and red radish juice contains compounds that aid in this detoxification process. These compounds, such as glucosinolates and anthocyanins, help to enhance the liver's ability to process and eliminate toxins. These compounds help to neutralize harmful substances, protecting the liver from damage and promoting optimal function. Regular consumption of red radish juice can thus be a natural way to support liver health and overall well-being. This detoxifying effect can be particularly beneficial for individuals exposed to environmental pollutants or those looking to support their body's natural cleansing processes. Additionally, red radish juice is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium, which further contribute to its health benefits. Furthermore, red radish juice has been traditionally used to aid digestion. It contains enzymes that help break down food, easing digestive discomfort, and promoting nutrient absorption. These enzymes can be particularly helpful for those with digestive issues or those looking to improve their gut health. It contains enzymes that help break down food, easing digestive discomfort, and promoting nutrient absorption. The natural fiber content in red radish juice also contributes to digestive health by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. Its natural fiber content also contributes to digestive health by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This can help prevent common digestive issues such as bloating, constipation, and irregularity. Incorporating red radish juice into your diet may help alleviate bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues. By making this nutritious juice a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits and support your overall well-being. Section 6. Incorporating red radish juice into your daily routine. Adding red radish juice to your diet is simple and enjoyable. Start by washing and chopping fresh red radishes. You can juice them using a centrifugal juicer or a cold-press juicer. Cold-press juicers are generally preferred as they preserve more nutrients. If you find the taste too intense, you can mix red radish juice with other vegetable juices like carrot, cucumber, or apple. For optimal benefits, consume red radish juice on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning. This allows for better nutrient absorption. As with any new dietary change, it's best to start with a small amount and gradually increase your intake. Listen to your body and adjust the quantity as needed. You can also consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Section 7. Embrace the power of natural healing. In a world increasingly reliant on synthetic solutions, rediscovering the power of natural remedies like red radish juice is empowering. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods and juices into our diets, we can support our body's innate ability to heal and thrive. Remember, our well-being is intricately connected to the natural world. As you embark on your journey towards optimal health, consider exploring the benefits of red radish juice. Its potent nutrients and therapeutic properties may offer the support you need to enhance your well-being. Embrace the wisdom of natural therapies and unlock the healing power within your reach.